apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a challenge for Instagram, and it's for Greenlight, and it's how you can earn money as a kid. And whoever wins gets to be on their commercial, but not only that, gets $1,000. So I hope you guys enjoy, and here it is. Hey guys, hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how you guys can earn money as a kid, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here it is.
CB.